Hello, my name is Jeff Currier, and I'm coming to you from the classroom at Ways to Wellness. Ways to Wellness is a business that my wife and I, Joanne, own together. And I'm here today to talk to you, to introduce myself to you, and to introduce to you my book, Journeys from the Hot Tub. My book is about unifying the 12 divine feminine and masculine energies that reside within us so that you may live your life's purpose. I take you in my book through a step-by-step process, introducing you to each of these 12 energies. These 12 energies are always at play in our lives, whether we're consciously aware of it or not. And what I do as I step through each chapter is I explain what each of these energies are and how they can affect your life. And I look at both the healthy aspects of these energies and the unhealthy aspects of these energies. And as you begin to learn these skills and learn about these energies more, now you begin to consciously use these energies. You use these energies with intent. And when you do that, suddenly things in your life change. Now, how do I go about doing all this? One of the tools that I use is I use a guided journey, which is kind of like a meditative process. But it's different in the respect that I'm actually shifting your state of consciousness and getting you into a place of compassion, a place where you're really in touch with that divine part of you. And when you're in that space, true revelation comes through, things that you can truly trust. It's not your ego that's getting in the way. And that's how it is you get the information. So rather than me telling you the answer for you, I simply point you into a direction and say, go look here and ask this question. And the information that is important for you that you need in that moment will come forward. And that's how it is that you learn and integrate the importance of each of these 12 energies. So, what are these 12 divine energies? Well, there are 6 feminine and there are 6 masculine energies. So the 6 feminine energies are the divine energy of acceptance, and the divine energy of integrity, and the divine energy of unconditional love, and the divine energy of just being, and the divine energy of creation, and the divine energy of pure power. And we go into the 6 masculine energies. And those 6 energies are the divine energy of direction, and the divine energy of protection, and the divine energy of hopefulness, and the divine energy of human value, and the divine energy of abundance, and finally, the divine energy of creating a future that you desire. I step through each of these energies and I explain to you kind of what they are. For example, that divine energy of masculine energy of protection. This isn't, I am the knight in shining armor, I'm going to protect you from physical harm. This is really all about, I'm going to protect you and those around you from any influences that would deviate you from your life's purpose. One of the biggest questions that I get when I work with my clients is, what is my life's purpose? In my book, I go through and I talk about that. And I make a simple statement. I say, really, our life's purpose is pretty clear. You're here to be of service to others. The real question is, how are you to be of service to others? For some, it's to be the head of a literary agency and write a book. And for others, it's to be that nurturing mother. Or maybe somebody else is just to be that person in the automobile plant who's making that part that provides transportation for us. In every way, each of us contribute to be of service to others. And that's what we go through and I describe. As you learn to embrace and utilize these 12 divine energies, it's like gaining new superpowers. And it all kind of culminates at the end when I bring forward this concept of the center of centers. And this is that place of I am. It's that place of your true knowingness of who you are. And when you get into this place, nothing can take you off of your center. It's that place as you've integrated all of these 12 energies where you have this resiliency, this empowerment. And even though there's chaos and conflict going on around you or in the world, you're able to remain centered and calm. No more reacting from that place of your ego. Instead, responding from that place of what your soul knows is for your highest and best good and for the highest and best good of others. So, my name is Jeff Currier, and my book is called Journeys from the Hot Tub, a step-by-step way to unify the 12 divine masculine and feminine energies that reside within us so that you're able to live your life's purpose. I hope you're as excited about the content of this book and its marketing potential as I am. Thank you.